Friends, good evening. Today I am going to cover new strategy which will be very useful for all. I am sharing my mail ID, mobile, WhatsApp, so you can be in touch with me. For any clarification, you can contact me. Let's start new strategy. Today I am going to cover new strategy, best ADX trading strategy. ADX I already covered. Averaged directional index is full name. It tells us trend strength. If trend is uptrend, what is its strength? If trend is downtrend, what is its strength? On basis of trend strength, we can take a buy or sell trade, long or short trade. What time frame? You can use time frame 15 minutes or 30 minutes, that is recommended. Trade setup: a stock market should be in bear or bull direction. Trade with primary trend, you can use a trend line. Primary trend means you should know it is a bear or bullish trend. For that you can see Nifty or Sensex and see the trend strength sector index strength. On that basis you can decide. You can draw a trend line on 15 or 30 minutes or 1 hour time line, so that will show whether it is a uptrend or downtrend. Trading time recommended, I recommending trading time 9:20 am to 11:30 am or 1:35 pm to 2:45 pm. Please avoid trade strictly in second half, because stock market trend is always confusing. If you take a trade at 9:20, then you get longer duration, and take a trade as per your setup from 9:20 to 11:30 and close down the laptop and get rid for the trade on the same day. Do not be in front of your terminal always, then you will again take a trade and you will be in losses. Take 4-5 trades only, 2 to 4 5, not more than that. This strategy should be avoided in range bound or sideways market. Please remember, all indicators or candles work only in bear or bull market, and usually in normal trend, range bound or sideways market is 11:30 am to 1:30 pm. Trading must be avoided. ADX trading indicator rules, I will let you know this. We need to be careful about how read and interpret the ADX indicator, because please remember, this is not a bullish or bearish indicator. The ADX moving average only measure the strength of trend, whether trend is bearish or bullish. If the price is going up, the ADX indicator is also going up, then we have a case for a strong bullish trade. Vice versa, the same is true if the price is going down and ADX indicator is going up, then we have the case for a strong bearish. The first ADX indicator rules say that A reading below 25 signals a period is non-trending or ranging market. If ADX is below 25, we must not take a trade on this strategy. The second thing, the second ADX indicator trading rule says if ADX above 25 is enough signals the presence of a strong bullish or bearish. You can see the candles also. Going forward, what you need to keep in mind that the ADX indicator does not give any information about direction of market. It provide you strength or trend. I am repeating you again and again. So you do not have any doubt about ADX indicator. The next I will let you know what setting you have to use in ADX. The ADX indicator uses a smoothing moving average in its calculation, and we are going to find out the best ADX indicator setting to use 14 period. What my experience as per trading with ADX, you must use 14 period. With the help of ADX indicator, you have more accurate signal and it will help you to get in trade earlier, so you have right entry point. The ADX indicator work best when used a combination with other technical indicators. So you should use one more indicator, that is RSI, Restive Strength Index. The best ADX strategy also incorporate with the RSI in order to the time the market. The ADX indicator can help you to gauge the intensity of market trend. So we need to RSI indicator for entry signal. So RSI will tell you where you have to enter. That is very important for this strategy. Even if with 14 period ADX you have to use 20 period RSI. So RSI you have to change. If you have 20 period then it's fine, otherwise you have to use 20 period. Note, and this is a special note, the best ADX strategy seeks to only capture those profit resulted from the presence of a strong trend. Once the prospectus of a strong trend fade anyway, we look to take profit and wait another trending opportunity. We should wait. To accomplish this, we take the profit as soon as if ADX break back 25. So we have to enter the trade when ADX is above 25, and once it come back and once it goes below, we have to exit it. For entry we have to use RSI, and exit we have to use ADX. Both indicators should be in sync. Then I will let you know the values. What is RSI? RSI is a momentum oscillator. It ranges from 0 to 100. ADX, average directional index. When you have a buy trade, buy ADX if it is 25 and exit once ADX return to 25. With RSI must go above 65 and going towards overbought zone. I mean to say overbought zone 80 to 100. Sell the ADX. If ADX again, it is a trending indicator, so if it is greater than 25 and exit once again when it come back with the RSI, I will correct RSI less than, sorry, this I am going to correct. Just give me some time. I think this key, yes, sure. So if RSI is less than 30, if RSI is less than 30 and going towards oversold zone, oversold means this is in bearish zone, then you have a trade and exit when ADX come back again 25. I will share you, friends, I am going to share all ADX value. You won't get these things in normal documents. I have done so much research on this indicator, so I am sharing you. Please note, from 0 to 25, absent or weak trend. If it is 0 to 25, you don't need to enter the trade. If it is 25 to 50, it is a strong trend. If it is a 50 to 75, it is a very strong trend. And if it is a 75 to 100, it is an extremely strong trend. Please remember, ADX can go from 25 to 50 to 75 to again 100. And once it come back to 25, you have to exit the trade. I am again sharing ADX. You know, friends, I am telling you again ADX, so you don't have any confusion about ADX. I don't know, but people in India do not use ADX too much. When ADX rises from below 25 to 25, it means what? Price is strong enough to continue in the direction of breakout. That can be bearish or bullish. Second thing, ADX tell you when breakout are valid by showing when ADX is strong enough for the price to trend after breakout. When ADX rises from below 25 to 25, price is strong enough to continue in the direction of breakout. A series of lower ADX peaks means trend momentum decreasing. Any ADX peak above is considered strong even if it is a lower peak. In an uptrend, price can still rise on decreasing ADX momentum because overhead supply is eaten as the trend progresses. Friends, this is what I done research on the research. Whatever my best knowledge I am sharing you. I request you to share these videos so other people also get benefited by this strategy. This education is for learning purpose, for beginners who are getting a lot of losses. Please press bell icon, subscribe video, share to your friends. Now I am going to open investing.com and I will show you. This is iopeninvesting.com. I will add only two indicators. Whatever software you have, you can use. I request to use investing because this is one of the best. What I understand, this is very nice and it has all the features. Then I am adding ADX, average directional index. See, now setting I have to change format. Let's see our setting. we will go ADX, let go. We have to change, we have to use 20 period RSI. So ADX is already 14, so we do not to change, and we have to edit RSI 20. Okay, you got 20. And ADX, let me review again. This is what I recommended based on trade. You can RSI. So we have done setting, friends. You see, just see, it is quite simple. See here, you see, these are, this is the ADX indicator. You have to see this is on 25, 23, 24. Okay, then see here. So this is 34. So you see here. So this is the, you see here, this is a 50. So you see here, this is the right setup. See here, this ADX going up. Okay, RSI, you see, RSI gone above 65. See here, you have taken a trade, then you see this level, and you have to continue up to here to up to this level, and you can exit up to ADX 25. So this is what I am telling you. You can use your logic and just this is what I told you. It is not Bible. So you, based on that, you can use the strategy. See here, RSI, see here. Here you see that trend is getting stronger and stronger. Here you can enter. It is a right trade. You see that? You see here, reverse trade. You see here, you see 25, then again bearish trade. You see RSI going down. So from here to you can take here. This is very small share. So let me take let me take bigger share. Let me take INFY, Infosys. You see here, Infosys. You see RSI going upward, and this is going upward. From here we can make a buy on 60, and here you see ADX going. You see here, this here 25. Then you see from here 670 to you can get profit 696, and you exit when ADX come to 25, or you can enter before also, because intraday you have to focus on 10 rupees, not more than that. And this market is range bound, so these markets you have to avoid. You see, this is range bound market, so you have to avoid the trade in range bound market. I am going to cover one more stock. Let me take Reliance Industries. See here, this is range bound market. You see here, see here. So you have to see it is going down. See here, from here you see that ADX is going 25. So you, and RSI going down, you can short it here 1566, and you can continue up to here you can exit. So from here, because market is going, so you can exit before also. So you can exit on ADX. Let's say this is the number 49. So don't wait up to be you exit prior, watch on the candle. Okay, so that is thing. So do not wait up to come to 25, because you see it is going down. So you see 25, you have more profit if you continue here. From here to 25, you see on this level 1595, then you see ADX 25. See here, this is ADX 25. So this level is how much? It is on 1409, and this is 1590. So you see how much profit you can get. This is range bound market. So friends, this is what I told you on my best knowledge. So once I have a trade, I am on these strategies. Please do not worry, I will try to take trades on my all strategies. I will share you live videos. Most of them I already done, but I have not saved the videos. I have not done the recording. So this is a very good indicator. You can use ADX with RSI. I am going to finish this video. Please share to your friends, and tell them to subscribe, press bell icon. I am giving these trainings because my remote areas, front like Assam, Northeast, J&K, and like Banaras, all these people don't, because stock market is limited. Is limited only in West, Maharashtra, Gujarat, MP. So my dream is it should be popular, and people in North and East India also, people should get benefited from this, and it should not be copyright to only one place. In India, what as per my number, 6% people are directly or indirectly involved, but in China 13 to 14% people are investing in stock market. So it is a huge scope, and stock market is backbone of our economy. So thanks a lot. Have a nice evening. In case of any query, suggestion, please send me a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9873938781. My mail ID is satendrasingh311976@gmail.com. I am about to finish technical analysis by this month end. Then I am going to start option strategies. I will not tell all the strategies. I will tell only few strategies which can give a very good profit. I have strategies on Nifty and Bank Nifty trading, but that I cannot tell on the videos, because the issue is I have to do some live sessions that I will plan next year, and I will let you know, friends. Thanks. Have a nice evening, and in case you have any problem with trading, you are not getting profit, please send me off WhatsApp detail your issues. I will try to resolve. Thank you. Thanks again.